In this tutorial, I'll show you how to switch to demo account on Trading 212. By the end, you'll be in the Trading 212 demo environment with virtual funds, ready to practice trading safely without risking real money. First, once you've registered, click Invest. On your screen, look for the Invest section in the main navigation. Click it to open the Invest area. Give it a second to load so the interface clearly updates to the Invest view. If you see your portfolio and market instruments under Invest, you're in the right place. This step simply ensures you're starting from a known section of the platform before switching. Next, change to CFD. Use the same navigation to switch from Invest to CFD. Click CFD and wait for the CFD interface to appear. You'll notice the layout adjusts to show CFD instruments and tools. This is normal. But moving into CFD now sets you up for the practice environment you're about to enable. Don't worry, switching sections here does not place any trades and doesn't affect your real funds. Now click Practice with Virtual Money. Look for the option labeled Practice with Virtual Money and click it. The platform will switch you into the demo account, also known as practice mode. This environment mirrors the live platform but uses virtual funds, so anything you do here is simulated. You are not risking real money. Once practice mode is active, take a moment to confirm you're in the demo environment. You should see clear indicators such as a practice or virtual label and a virtual balance displayed at the top of the screen. The numbers you see here represent your practice funds only. Any orders you place, positions you open, or charts you explore in this mode are for learning and testing. They do not touch your real Invest or CFD balances. From here you can click through instruments, open charts, and explore order tickets at your own pace. If you decide to place a test order, the system will treat it as a simulation. This is the safest place to learn how market orders, limit orders, and stop orders behave, and to get comfortable with the platform's layout. If you make a mistake or change your mind, you can simply manage or close the practice position without any financial impact. This is exactly what the demo account is designed for. If the interface ever looks different from what you expect, double-check for the practice or virtual indicator before taking any action. As long as that indicator is visible and your balance shows virtual funds, you're still in the demo account. When you're finished practicing, you can continue exploring within this mode as long as you like. Your real funds remain separate and unaffected during your time in practice mode. That's it. You've switched to the Trading 212 demo account using virtual money and you're ready to practice safely. The setup is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.